They're equipped with artificial intelligence, unlocking a whole new level of capabilities. Picture this, a drone taking flight, soaring high above vast agricultural fields. Its mission? To capture high-resolution images of the landscape below, but it doesn't stop there. The drone, powered by AI, goes a step further. It doesn't just take pictures, it analyzes them. It scrutinizes every pixel of every image, looking for valuable insights. It can detect subtle changes in crop health, track growth patterns, and even identify potential diseases before they spread. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Farmers are using these AI-powered drones to manage their fields more efficiently, making informed decisions based on data that was previously impossible to gather. These drones are not just flying cameras, they are smart data collectors that can revolutionize the way we monitor and manage crops. So what does this all mean for the future of agriculture? It's simple. The face of agriculture is set to undergo a drastic transformation, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence and AI-powered drones. They hold immense potential in making agriculture more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. Imagine a world where farmers can monitor their crops in real time, not just from a bird's eye view, but with intricate detail and precision. And not just that, these intelligent machines can help farmers make data-driven decisions. They can analyze crop health, detect diseases, monitor soil conditions, and much more, all in real time. The result? An increase in crop yield and a decrease in environmental impact. It's a win-win situation for both farmers and Mother Earth. It's not just about better farming, it's about smarter farming. The fusion of AI and drones in agriculture is not just a possibility, it's an impending revolution, and it's about time we embrace it.